Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to answer a question that a client asked me. A client reached out to me and said he was not sure if his Act database was synchronizing because he had other people in the office and he wasn't seeing certain changes. So when that question comes up, what you can do is you can go up and click on Tools. You can go down to where it says Synchronized Database, go to the right, go to Synchronization Panel. When you go to the panel inside of here, you can click on the View Sync Log down here on the bottom right, and that's what I'm going to do. And when this pops up, I'm going to click on it to take the highlighting away. This will show you the last time your database is synchronized, and it gives you all the information you need. But the key point here is the date and time it's synchronized, so you know if your data is up to date. Now, it's possible that your data hit the main server, and then that information just hasn't gotten over to the other person in your office because maybe they have not synchronized recently. Ask them to do the same thing. If they don't see a recent time, then that is something you want to be aware of, and then you can synchronize it manually, or if it's scheduled to synchronize behind the scenes using the Act scheduler, you might just have to wait for that to occur. Anyway, that's how you tell the last time your database synchronized. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.